Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I have got a cool product that I want to show you. If you use these trim rings or square grommets, as some people call them, I've got a product that's going to make it super easy to lay out and cut out the holes for these. So a while back, we did a slat wall job, hung a bunch of slat wall in a garage, and we had to do about 20 of these, and it took us hours. And to be honest with you, they look like crap. We just weren't very good at it. I said, there's got to be a better way. So what I came up with is I built a template for it, and let me show you how it works. So all plugs have got either a single hole or two holes that hold that plate on, and it is standard between all of the plugs in the world pretty much. And so what we did is we built a template that allows us to lay the plug out by measuring to the screw in the plate. In this one here, we're gonna turn this way here, we're gonna measure to that center, and we're going to lay it out on here. We're going to place this on here, and then we're going to cut the hole out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure over here. I've got my measurement to here, 30 1/4, and up is 3 7/8 1/4, and up 3 7/8, which is right on the edge right there. So measure it over. I'm going to go 30 1/4. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our template now. So this is the hole right here that coincides with that. These holes around the edge allow us to see where we're going when we place it down there. And we're going to place it here. You can see now I have it right on the X where we need it to be. I'm going to make sure that it's square. And what we're going to do, I'm going to reach over here. I'm going to grab a drill, and I'm going to put 2 screws in here. That's my screw right here that is the center. And then I'm going to put a second screw. It doesn't have to go in the other hole, but I've got this squared out right here. And we're going to go ahead and put another one in here. And now this template is on here. We're going to go out into the shop and cut it out so I don't make a mess in the showroom. Follow me out and let's go see what we got. So we've got our template all screwed down. We're going to grab our oscillating saw with a blade on it. And all we're going to do is we're going to stick it in. So we're doing the small trim ring. We don't want to extend past into the big trim ring one. So we've cut it all out. We're going to remove our template, and it's going to leave 2 little tabs. Right here and here, and we're just going to stick our saw. This one we were on a thicker part, so it took a little more effort. So now it's all cut out. We clean it up just a little bit, but it's the opening is exact, and with a little bit of an interference fit. Now this particular template is designed to fit the part numbers from Hafele. And so now you can see we're in nice and tight, nice secure fit. It's not going to come in and out. Let's go show you it when we put it in place. So we've got our hole cut out. We've got our trim ring installed. And we would just slide this into place and install it. As you can see, it gives us perfect spacing on that, is nice and square, and the trim ring's not going to fall out. You don't have to add any caulk or any screws to hold that in place. Okay. So it's a nice, simple, easy template. It's manufactured out of laser cut stainless steel. We actually put the part numbers of the trim rings that fit it, are laser etched right onto the face of the product, so you know which parts are going to fit it. You can use this for cutting out trim rings on PVC. We've also used it on cutting out on 3/4 inch material for cabinets. It makes it very, very simple and easy. If you don't want to use an oscillating saw, you can use it as a layout tool, put it in place, and use a pencil to mark out your mark, and use a jigsaw or other items to cut it with. So it's a great product. We're going to have them be selling them in a single and a 5-pack, so you can put one in all of your installation vehicles. Like and subscribe. We'll be coming out with this shortly.